For this exercise, go to your MicroBit website and see if you can code what you see happening here on the screen. So the red LED comes on and red is displayed on the MicroBit. Then the green LED comes on and it's displayed on the MicroBit and it goes off. And then the blue LED comes on and it's displayed on the MicroBit. So we have 3 pins, pin 0, pin 1 and pin 2. They come on and off in sequence and at the same time writing is displayed on the LED display on the MicroBit. I want you to try and program it using the MicroBit. So the car will travel along, hit off the switch, that's our input. Once the switch is triggered, it tells the pedestrian that they can cross in front of the barrier, but they've only 5 seconds left, as the LED will tell them that and the smiley face on the MicroBit. The LED will go off and then the car park barrier opens up and the car goes out and the barrier goes back down. So the car will press off the button here at P1. The green LED will come on and the pedestrian sees a happy face so they can keep walking. They walk. Then the LED goes off, they know to stop, the car barrier opens, the car goes through, the barrier closes, happy face, and the pedestrian knows it's okay to keep on walking.